I'm Denise Joy, and I believe that anyone can make their home custom on a budget in one weekend or even less. In one weekend, using paint, repurposed furniture, a few budget-friendly new and secondhand purchases, along with some good old DIY sweat equity from the homeowner, I sprinkle my magic pixie dust, creating beautifully curated spaces. Trust me, it's not just a room makeover, it transforms your life. In episode 3, I turn a worn-out storage basement into a modern, chic haven with 5 distinct zones to support a college student forced to do college from home due to COVID. It really is a space designed to inspire. What a lovely gift from a mother to her daughter. Save the date and subscribe.